Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial or in this demo, I will show you that about sheet protection. But in sheet protection, I will do it a little bit differently. So in this example, what we are gonna do that we want to unprotect this part only, and apart from this part, everything would be protected. Let's suppose this would be protected and this part would be protected and entire sheet would be protected except this part. This part would be unprotected, right? So here I have applied some generic function like sum and max function. So let's start. How can we do it? So first of all, I want to tell you that if you will just click on any cell and press right click and click on the format cell, and then this pop-up will come in front of you. And if you'll go to the protection part, so by default all the cells of our sheets are locked, right? So you need to understand this part only. So first of all, I will select this range, right? I will right click over here and then click on format cell, then go to the protection tab and click on locked, and I will unlocked it and press OK. Once I will press OK. So these all cells are now unlocked, right? Then I will go to the review. Then I will click on the protect. So now, right now you can see that two check boxes, one in select locked cell and another one is cell select unlocked cell. So I have to uncheck first one, select locked cell, and I have to give a password like 123 and press OK. I have to reconfirm the password, that is 123. Again I will press OK. So now you can see that I'm not able to click on any cells right now because everything is protected. But I will click, if I'll click here in this particular range, everything is unprotected. If I'll move my left and right button, left, right and up and down, so you can see that this is not going outside of this particular range, but it is just keep going inside all these unprotected cells, right? So in this way you can just protect a small range of cells and accept that you can protect everything. So most of the time these things comes in a light when let's suppose you have created multiple formula and function in any sheet and you want to hand over it to another team who are not aware about this function and formula, or they are just keeps on changing your function and formula. So in this such scenario you can protect all your function and formulas using this command. Even they will not be able to see what formula you have applied, even they will not be able to change it. So in this example, I think you have learned that how to unprotect small range and accept that protect everything. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.